If you have nothing but a house payment, 2 car payments, 3 credit card payments, and 4 kids that require more monthly maintenance than the 2 car, how in the market do we get started with an investment plan? Most of us don't have a large inheritance or a winning lottery ticket. You may have already discovered what causes the value of your money to go down. It's this thing called inflation. To refresh your memory, inflation is the general increase in prices over time of goods and services, such as common food items, household merchandise, medical services, and transportation. So, in this video, we will discuss some key points about budgeting today to invest tomorrow. Hello and welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more informative and amazing videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Create a financial plan. The tricky part is often taking the first step. To make the process manageable, it helps to think of your finances in sections and then set small goals for each. For instance, we like to start with these 4 tiers: budgeting, debt management, saving and investing, and protecting what you have. Making sure each of your 4 tiers is as strong as possible is the ultimate goal. The tiers are all interconnected. If one piece of your financial foundation is unsteady, it may not take much to throw off your entire plan. The rate of inflation represents the rate at which the real value of an investment is eroded and the loss in spending or purchasing power over time. Inflation also indicates how much return investments need to make to maintain a specific standard of living. Number 2. Save more by spending less. If you want to save money, you're going to need to create some better habits around money. But first, you'll have to get down to basics. And that means spending less money. That way, you'll be able to funnel more cash into both your short-term and long-term savings. Take a look at your monthly expenses and see if there are any areas where you can reduce your spending. For example, replace expensive dinners with more home-cooked meals or cancel your cable in exchange for cheaper streaming services like Netflix. There's no sure way to protect your money from the effects of inflation. The only rule is that cash savings accounts are generally not the best places to put your money long-term. The interest is almost always lower than inflation, so your buying power is reduced. Number 3. Build a budget and take control. The first thing you need to do is have to create a budget and stick to it. This includes being realistic about your household financial situation and setting honest and attainable numbers corresponding to your spending so that you can save. Saying you will save and thinking about saving is not enough. You will have to be intentional about what you do with your money. Creating a budget and tracking it is perhaps the most important part of any savings plan. Spend some time laying out all of your daily, weekly, and monthly expenses to get a solid understanding of your savings potential. Inflation affects the outcome of budgeting in other ways besides the rate of return. Generally, inflation drives up costs for goods and services, including building materials, equipment, and labor. These increased costs might render certain projects unfeasible based on the results of the budget analysis. Number 4. Automate your savings. Once you have a budget in place, you'll need to make sure that you save that money. If that extra money just sits around in your checking account, it's all too easy for those dollars to get spent instead of saved. And the best thing you can do is to set up a system where extra money gets automatically deducted. Automate your savings with special apps or programs that will transfer money to your savings automatically. Money held in savings accounts hasn't grown much in previous years due to historically low interest rates. But with inflation now running high, your savings are at risk of losing value in real terms as you'll be able to buy less with your money. Number 5. Money implementation. The future and help pay down credit cards and loans. A strong foundation of budgeting, debt management, saving, and insurance can help you achieve big, long-term savings goals like retirement or funding a child's education. Investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and short-term investments can help your money grow and potentially get you to your goals faster than saving alone. Central banks have 4 primary monetary tools for managing the money supply. These are the reserve requirement, open market operations, the discount rate, and interest on excess reserves. These tools can either help expand or contract economic growth. Inflation makes your money worth less. It makes it difficult for you to implement money. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.